Welcome back. Today, we're diving into Kali Linux, the go-to platform for ethical hacking and cybersecurity research. If you've ever opened Kali and felt overwhelmed by all the tools, you're not alone. I'll break down 12 of the easiest free tools to help you get started. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up your skills, these tools will build your cybersecurity foundation. Let's jump in. First up is Metasploit, the essential framework for ethical hackers and cybersecurity enthusiasts alike. If you're just starting your journey into penetration testing, or even if you're a seasoned pro, Metasploit is a name you'll hear again and again. It's widely regarded as the go-to toolkit for anyone looking to understand how vulnerabilities are discovered and exploited in real-world environments. One of the best things about Metasploit is its accessibility. It comes pre-installed in Kali Linux, the most popular operating system for ethical hacking and penetration testing. That means you don't have to worry about complicated installations or setup processes. Just launch Kali, open Metasploit, and you're ready to dive in. The interface is straightforward, and you can get started with just a few commands. With Metasploit, you can simulate a wide range of cyber attacks, from exploiting known vulnerabilities to testing your own network's defenses. It's perfect for running penetration tests in a safe, controlled lab environment, allowing you to see exactly how attackers might try to breach your systems. You can scan for weaknesses, launch exploits, and even create custom payloads to test your security measures. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a programmer or have years of experience. Metasploit is designed to be user-friendly. Just pick a module from its huge library. There are hundreds to choose from. Set your options and start experimenting. The framework guides you through each step, making it easy to learn the basics of ethical hacking and vulnerability assessment. If you're more of a visual learner, Metasploit has you covered with Armitage, its graphical user interface. Armitage lets you see your targets, attacks, and results in real time, making the whole process even more intuitive. You can drag and drop modules, visualize network topologies, and collaborate with teammates, all from a single dashboard. There's a massive community behind Metasploit, which means you'll never be short on resources. Tons of tutorials, step-by-step guides, and video walkthroughs are available online to help you master the basics and tackle more advanced techniques. Whether you prefer reading, watching, or hands-on practice, you'll find plenty of support to guide you through your first penetration tests. So, if you're looking for a powerful yet beginner-friendly tool to kickstart your ethical hacking journey, Metasploit is the perfect starting point. It's trusted by professionals, embraced by learners, and constantly evolving to keep up with the latest threats. Dive in, experiment, and see for yourself why Metasploit is the friendly face of penetration testing. Next up is Nmap, a legendary tool in the world of cybersecurity and network administration. If you've ever wondered how professionals get a detailed map of their network, Nmap is often their go-to solution. It's been around for decades, trusted by IT experts, ethical hackers, and system administrators alike. Nmap stands for Network Mapper, and it truly lives up to its name by providing a comprehensive overview of everything happening on your network. With just a single command in your terminal, Nmap can scan your entire network, quickly discovering all connected devices, identifying which ports are open, and revealing what services are running on each machine. This information is crucial for both defending your network and understanding its structure. Whether you're managing a small home setup or a large corporate environment, Nmap gives you the visibility you need to stay secure. Nmap is incredibly user-friendly for beginners, offering simple commands to get you started. But as you gain experience, you'll discover its true power, learning about TCP/IP protocols, port scanning techniques, and how networks are structured. It's a fantastic way to deepen your understanding of how devices communicate and where vulnerabilities might exist. For advanced users, Nmap offers powerful scripting capabilities. You can automate regular scans, schedule vulnerability checks, and even write custom scripts to detect specific threats. This makes it an indispensable tool for penetration testers and anyone serious about network security. There's a wealth of resources available: cheat sheets, video tutorials, and detailed guides, so you can start with the basics and gradually master more advanced features. The Nmap community is active and supportive, making it easy to find help and inspiration as you learn. Remember, knowing your network is half the battle in cybersecurity. Nmap is an essential tool for every Kali Linux user, giving you the insight and control you need to protect your systems and stay one step ahead of potential threats. Imagine being able to see every bit of data moving through your network, live and in real time. That's exactly what Wireshark allows you to do. As one of the world's most popular network protocol analyzers, Wireshark gives you the power to capture, inspect, and dissect network traffic as it happens, right from your own computer. Its intuitive graphical interface makes it surprisingly easy to visualize every single packet, protocol, and connection, even if you're just starting out in networking. You can filter traffic by protocol, source, or destination, and drill down into the tiniest details, like seeing exactly which websites are being accessed, or what data is being sent and received. Wireshark is an invaluable tool for learning how websites load, diagnosing network slowdowns, or investigating suspicious activity that could indicate a security threat. Whether you're a student, IT professional, or just curious about what's happening on your home network, Wireshark helps you uncover the hidden world of network communication. There's a huge library of tutorials, guides, and sample capture files available online, so you can safely practice your skills without risking your own data. Many communities and forums are dedicated to helping beginners get started, making it easy to learn at your own pace. If you're serious about understanding what's really happening on your network, or want to develop your cybersecurity and troubleshooting skills, Wireshark is an essential tool to have in your toolkit. Dive in and start exploring the fascinating world of network traffic today. Burp Suite Community Edition is your entry point to web security. Set up a proxy, intercept browser traffic, and find vulnerabilities like XSS or SQL injection, all with a user-friendly interface. Built-in guides and free labs make it easy to practice safely. As you advance, add extensions and automate tasks, all within the free version. If you want to think like a web security pro, start with Burp Suite. John the Ripper is a classic password cracking tool that shows why strong passwords matter. It's pre-installed in Kali. Just load sample hashes and see how quickly weak passwords fall. The command line interface is straightforward, and there are plenty of safe practice files online. John helps you understand password security from an attacker's perspective. It's a powerful, eye-opening tool for anyone serious about security. Aircrack-ng is your toolkit for learning Wi-Fi security. Capture and analyze wireless packets, test encryption strength, and try cracking weak passwords, all with beginner-friendly guides. Set up a test network at home and practice safely. Learn why strong encryption like WPA2 is crucial for your network. Aircrack-ng is free, approachable, and a great way to boost your wireless skills. Hydra focuses on brute force attacks against login credentials for services like SSH, FTP, and HTTP. Its simple commands let you test username and password lists on your own lab setups. Practice legally with sample labs and see how weak authentication can be exploited. Hydra is a must-have for understanding and defending against password attacks. Netcat is the Swiss Army knife of networking. Create, listen to, and analyze connections right from the terminal. Use it to test open ports, transfer files, or set up basic chat sessions between computers. It's lightweight, fast, and perfect for learning how networks really work. Netcat grows with your skills, from simple experiments to advanced debugging. Every security toolkit needs Netcat. Nikto scans web servers for thousands of known vulnerabilities and misconfigurations with a single command. Results are clear and actionable, making it perfect for beginners testing their own projects. Learn what vulnerabilities are common and how attackers find them. Nikto is free, open source, and regularly updated. Start scanning and boost your web security knowledge. The Social Engineering Toolkit, or SET, teaches you how attackers use social engineering to trick people. Use its menu-driven interface to simulate phishing and other tactics in a safe, controlled environment. Practice with online labs and learn how to spot and defend against these attacks. SET is essential for understanding the human side of cybersecurity. Hashcat uses your GPU to crack passwords at lightning speed. It's open source, supports many hash types, and is perfect for learning about password security. Practice with sample hashes and see how password complexity affects cracking time. Tutorials make setup easy, even for beginners. Hashcat is a hands-on way to understand the power of GPU-based attacks. Autopsy is your gateway to digital forensics, analyzing disk images, recovering files, and investigating computer use. Its graphical interface makes complex forensic tasks approachable for beginners. Load a disk image and explore file analysis, timelines, and keyword searches. Practice with sample images and learn real-world investigation skills. Autopsy is free, professional-grade, and packed with tutorials. If you're curious about digital investigations, Autopsy is a fantastic tool to try. That's a wrap. We covered 12 free tools to help you master Kali Linux and cybersecurity basics. Always use these tools ethically, set up your own lab and respect privacy. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to learn next.